But yeah, I would say if you watch the first 20 minutes or so of The Lincoln Lawyer, when I watch the first 20 minutes or so of The Lincoln Lawyer, I'm like, that's pretty accurate.
Yeah, I actually myself, I'm not sure about you, I've actually driven through parking lots and like picked up $2,500 in cash or $5,000 in cash. It's crazy. Just like what the real practice is like, because your client's in jail, they can't do much from in jail. So now I've got this holistic law studio space, holistic life studio space. This is the first time in 16 years I've actually had first off staff or even anyone else to like rap with about a case.
Yeah.
You're prepping child rape cases or murder, like double murder cases by yourself between seeing people, and you're going through the discovery, and you're trying to think of, objections to, hearsay, and like, how are you going to, is it going to be possible to get this piece of information in, or do I need to do a subpoena ducis tecum and do a subpoena for the records and get some,
Right.
It becomes so difficult. Just,
I'm sure he appreciated that argument on scene, Charlie. Yeah.
He did not, in fact.
Right.
But Bill Dinkin walked in, and I heard him because I was still heated when I got into court. It's so funny how they get you. I'm trying to be less like that anymore. But I heard him talk to the prosecutor or the officer. He said, when my client stopped acting like a defense attorney, he was polite and cooperative, right? It was so funny.
So, I'm doing this trial, and essentially what I realize is I'm going to lose this case, but I'm going to get to a place where I can ask the judge to take it under advisement,
Right.
and hopefully get to a dismissal
Right.
later.
Right.
And that's what we did. And then he did a ton of work, to get to a place where the case was ultimately dismissed. But that's what I mean by learning to be a lawyer.